What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is your first time touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today we're going to get into some of my more recent graphic tee pickups. Now I have two brands on deck, Casper Masi and Half Evil, a fan favorite on this channel. It seems like y'all love the Half Evil videos. But first we're going to get into the Casper Masi shirts because I think those are pretty dope. I haven't looked at any of the tees yet. I opened them up to save us some time, but I haven't looked at them yet, so you'll be getting my first reaction. First up from Casper Masi is this black tee right here. Now I first heard about Casper Masi from Marino Morwood. He was promoting this shirt, actually trying to help him out, and I was like, that's pretty dope. I have to have that, especially because of what it says. So this shirt actually says Too Fast, Too Furious on it. I'm a big fan of the Fast and Furious franchise. Up until Paul Walker died, I think after that it got a little corny, got a little cheesy, so I don't watch it anymore, but I used to watch it religiously on the weekends. So as you can see, you have a bunch of different racing cars. The colors on this shirt go off just like the Marino Morwood joints. On the front of the shirt there's cars, gauges, a whole lot going on, and at the top it says Too Fast next to a dragon, and right below that it says Charger RT. On the back of the shirt up at the top you can see he remixed a couple of car logos to say Casper Masi, and then below that it says Too Furious and kind of like this S. You have another dragon and some more cars. Like I said, the colors on this tee go absolutely crazy. As far as quality, the blank feels really nice. The blank black shirt that he used, it feels really nice, really good quality. The neck of the shirt looks good. It is double layered and it feels pretty tight. It's not loose, so when I wash it, it's not gonna stretch out, go all over the place. The size of the graphic on the front and on the back is huge, just like I like it, and the quality of the printing also feels really nice. This tee is a little bit different of a vibe. It's an airbrush tee for the Chevrolet Impala. So up at the top you have some building silhouettes. It says Chevrolet Impala, and there is so much going on the front there. You have all these different cars, the lowriders. You have some bandana print in the LA down there. There's also the laugh now, cry later, smiley face. It says just got paid. There's so much going on the front. On the back of the tee, there's just as much going on. It says cruising down the street up at the top in the clouds. You have the whole guts of the car out, and at the bottom it says Impala in that purple and yellow. Now this shirt actually pays tribute to a bunch of different Los Angeles legends. I'm not going to tell you which ones. What I want you to do is I'll take a picture of the shirt. I'll make sure that it's real clear. And from what you see, let me know which legends do you think the shirt is a tribute to. And in the comment section, I'll let you know if you're right, wrong, and eventually I'll put the right answer. These Casper Masi tees are nice, but we do have to get into those Half Evil tees, so let's go ahead and take a look at those. These Half Evil tees are from the collection that recently passed. It was Half Evil and Kodone, so let's go ahead and get into this cream one first. This one was called the Propaganda Tee. Both of these are a size small. All of the shirts in this video are a size small. Half Evil is becoming more and more popular, which is great for them, but you already know when a brand becomes more popular, it becomes harder and harder to get the pieces that you want. So I did get both of the tees that I wanted, but I missed out on the plush. This one was called the Propaganda Tee. I picked it up in the cream color. You have this 333 on the front, and then you have all these Kodone caricatures all over it, kind of putting up flyers, painting over flyers. I thought it was a really good, really balanced collaboration. You still get some Half Evil for sure, but the Kodone touches and his artwork are just really dope. This next tee is the Dark Angel tee. I picked this one up in black, and this was actually my favorite tee from the collection. So you have this woman figure on the front, and she's holding like a glass of wine, but on the top of her head you see you have the halo and the horn, because of course it's Half Evil. I should have picked up two of these actually. I really like that graphic on there. As far as quality goes with the Half Evil tees, I've been picking up a lot from them lately. I haven't had any issues. The t-shirts are a nice weight. They're not see-through or anything like that. And when you wash them so many times, it doesn't break up the graphic. The neck doesn't get all stretched out. So the tees are really good quality, especially for the price. They don't overprice. If you enjoyed today's video and you want to see more streetwear content, I do have a whole playlist on the channel, so check that out. And also remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check you all out in the next one.